Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Please get into a comfortable position lying down and close your eyes, allowing yourself to settle into this meditation practice. There's nothing you need to do right now and nowhere you need to be. This is your time to let go, relax, and unwind. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly, focusing on releasing any tension that you may be holding on to. With every breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into the surface that you're lying on, allowing gravity to hold you. As you continue to breathe, bring your attention to your body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the support of the surface holding you and grounding you. We'll now begin a gentle body scan, bringing awareness to each part of your body and allowing those areas to relax completely. As I mention each body part, simply focus your attention there and allow it to soften. We'll begin with your toes. Feel your toes relaxing, releasing any tension. And now bring your awareness to the soles of your feet, your heels, and your ankles. Let them soften, feeling warm and heavy. Move your attention to your calves and shins. Feel them releasing any tightness. And now focus on relaxing your knees, your thighs, and your hips. Let go of any tension in those areas, allowing your legs to feel completely at ease. Now move your awareness to your lower back, noticing any tension there. And with your next exhale, letting that tension melt away. now focus on your tummy, feeling it rise and fall gently with your breath, and let it relax fully. Now move your attention to your chest. Feel your heart beating calmly, steadily. And allow your chest to soften, expanding gently with each breath. Now bring your attention to your shoulders and your upper back. If you're aware of any tension, allow your shoulders to drop and allow your back to soften, sinking more deeply into the surface that you're lying on. Move your awareness down your arms, relaxing your arms, your elbows, your wrists, and then allowing your hands and fingers to loosen and let go. And now bring your awareness to your neck and throat. Allow them to soften. Move your awareness to your jaw, unclenching and relaxing completely. And feel the muscles in your face relax. Your cheeks, your eyes, and your forehead. And finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head, allowing it to feel light and open. Now that your body is fully relaxed, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out. Allowing each breath to become softer, smoother, and more effortless. Imagine that you're letting go of any remaining tension or stress. Sinking deeper into relaxation. Now, imagine yourself lying on a soft, sandy beach. The sun has just set, and the sky is painted in the gentle hues of twilight. You can hear the gentle lapping of the waves against the shore, a rhythmic and calming sound that soothes your mind and body. You can feel the warm sand beneath you, soft and comforting, moulding perfectly to your body. A gentle breeze brushes against your skin, carrying with it the scent of the ocean. With each breath, you feel more and more at peace, as if the worries of the day are being washed away by the tide. You are completely safe here, held and embraced by the warmth of the earth, the softness of the sand, and the gentle sound of the waves. This is your place of rest, your peaceful sanctuary. In this state of deep relaxation, let's take a moment to set a positive intention. This intention is I sleep deeply and wake up feeling refreshed. Silently repeat this intention to yourself 3 times, planting the seed in your mind. I sleep deeply and wake up feeling refreshed. As we come to the end of this practice, know that this is your time to rest. You can simply allow yourself to drift off to sleep whenever you're ready. Allowing yourself to surrender, knowing that you're safe, peaceful and deeply relaxed. Good night and sweet dreams.